Hello guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to a new video, and today I'm showing you this. So the all-new Peugeot 2008 second generation model. I will put the lights on, this is the key, and today we're gonna take it for a point of view test drive. Now speaking of the design, this is a very attractive GT line, which means you do have this very nice full LED lights with this daytime running LEDs in a very interesting shape, just like on the 208. They share the same platform, however this is a crossover and it really is a nice looking car in this new generation. Let me go at the back. So as you can see, this is the GT line, so it has the gold tone, very nice, sort of like an orange color. Have also the 3D shape of the rear lights, which looks particularly cool. And this is the way it looks from the rear. Real exhaust, always nice to see. Now I did a video of this car from Vienna Car Show, so if you want to take a closer look at all the details, you can have them here. But for now, let's go inside and see what does this car offer from inside. And believe me, this is really attractive. And this is where you start the car. So there you have it. You have the very nice LED lights here, ambient lighting all the way, big screen here, digital i-cockpit just like on the Peugeot 208. You can have different views in front of the driver. That's always nice to see. Look at this, you can have a navigation, minimalism screen, so you only have the speed. Then you can also have personal settings, so whatever you want, like a throttle response, Newton meters, consumption, whatever you want, you can have it here. I will put it now to the classic instruments, for example, like this. I think this looks cool. This is the automatic, very nice gear lever. You have the wireless charger for the phone here, and overall really cozy place to be. Now let's take it for a spin. All right, so let's go for a drive. As I said, very lovely interior with this huge screen in front of me and digital cockpit in 3 dimensions, looking very nice. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about it? I think Peugeot designers are really doing a good job with their latest models. Interesting sound of the indicators which are placed here, as you can see. Now some of the buttons remained here, but of course some of them are like this, so touch panels. And I want to turn off the start stop right now. I need to do it like this, so that's a bit tricky, but you get used to it. This is the main screen. As I said, it's a touch screen. This is the touch panel that I'm talking about. And you also have the different driving modes in this car. So look at this. Now I can turn it to normal mode, eco mode, and let's go back to the sport mode. A lot of you will want to know whether you can see this i-cockpit actually during the drive, and here is the thing. Right now my GoPro is a little bit below my eyes, so this is not the way I see it. Of course I can't have a GoPro on the same level as my eyes, but basically you can, you know, adjust it and you can clearly see the i-cockpit in front of you. There may be some difficulties if you are tall. I mean, I'm 1.87 meters, and I can find the right spot. For now, maybe the steering wheel is a bit too low, but even if I put it up, I would still see a lot of the cockpit. I basically put it a bit lower than I should in order for you to see the i-cockpit in front of me. I did a video with the Peugeot 208, and on that video you couldn't see the i-cockpit, so that's why I wanted, you know, to share the i-cockpit with you. And the automatic transmission is actually really smooth. I'm surprised actually. So this version is 130 horsepower diesel, which comes with EAT8 automatic transmission, known from PSA group, so Peugeot and Citroën models have them. So this is the place where you charge your phone. Right now it's wirelessly charging. Always nice thing to have in the modern car. Let's try the acceleration. Alright guys, so there we have it. Now unfortunately a lot of traffic, as you can see here in Zagreb. It's a rush hour, but I hope I showed you you know, at least some of the details of interior and exterior of this car. If you like this video, do subscribe, and there will be plenty of more videos to come. Also do check out the Peugeot 208 night point of view drive video. And well, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.